Hi, what's up guys, Steve MK here with another unboxing video. Subscribe if you're not already, like, comment and share. Without taking time, let's get this party started. So today I'm having this Hisense I picked up on techload.com and it's called the model number is Hisense TV DVB T2/S2. I don't know what that means, but it's 32 inch and it's a HD TV. And as a matter of fact, this TV is it's a digital TV, so which means it's going to be having those digital channels like in South Africa, a couple of digital channels like from analog to digital. It supports analog channels and digital channels. So like if you're using a cable DSTV or you understand a digital channel, so this thing will be using a digital channel. And it's according to the specs, supports USB video, HDMI, and it's also eco-friendly, which is a good thing. You can recycle the TV after that. Okay, so on the spec side, this guy's 32 inch, 80 centimeter, let's say. And when I was reading about it, it supports HDMI cable, it's like a video HDMI, and it also supports HDMI 2, which is also known as the HDMI ARC. That's the most important thing, which means you can connect it to your soundbar or your surrounding sound system. So it's either soundbar or whatever it is. Okay, so without wasting your time here, let's get inside here. Let's see what's in the box. I have to grab the knife here and let's see. It's about unboxing, so we always want to see what's behind these boxes. And yeah. As a matter of fact, today Cape Town is very hot, so if you're in Cape Town, you understand what I mean. Feeling hot here, feeling out. Okay, so did I open from the right side? Yeah, this is the right side. One that the remote is packed. Okay, so the first thing, just have to move these. Okay, so the first thing you see is a TV itself, then some documentation and some remote. I'll say quite fancy remote, and TV stand here, and yeah, that's it. Some batteries as well, and the AV cable. Where is this? So this TV doesn't have. So it's the 3.5mm jack to AV cable, the remote, documentation, warrant, and all the stuff. Some stuff like that. So. And this TV came at very cheap price. You can find it's under $3,000. I think you picked up for 2.150. So it's not that expensive. At a 2-inch budget, and I'll just give you guys a link below on this TV because there are lots of TV that looks like this one, but like this one. This TV is kind of like special. It's HD digital TV. So it comes with most of the stuff. Okay, we go back there, and behind here, this is what we get. Everything. So this is not a smart TV, it's just HD TV, so there are two different between smart and HD TV. But here okay, so this TV also supports hard drive. I don't know what does that mean, common interface. Just double check though. Okay, so for AV you can use the millimeter jack, the headphone millimeter jack, 3.5mm headphone to AV millimeter jack. Then I have optic output there, then I have the headphone output there, then I have HDMI ARC, then HDMI 2, just normal for video. Then I have a digital antenna, and I have analog antenna as well. Also support USB. So let's get this guy booted up here, see what's so special about this guy. Yeah. So you can actually okay, so I guess you don't need stand. Okay, so there we go. Hisense there. All you need, you have to just set up, and guess we should get your remote for that. Cannot work with the remote. Choose English. Okay. I guess we really need the remote. Okay, so for video, just check out with USB. Battery included. Battery, no. Battery. So automatically, if you have a dish or something that you have something for digital, just plug in there and you'll be able to have some digital channels. How cool is that? Okay, so English, okay. We're in South Africa now. Okay, if you say so, comment complete. And then you can choose here digital or analog type there, set up. But for now, we don't need that. Just have to go source. Okay. We're going to take some time. Okay, so just have to test the picture here, and first I want to make sure that I don't have external audio, and this is quite a big remote here. As far as I'm concerned, this remote is huge. I'm used to a smart TV remote, so my remote is not that big. Yeah, and this TV supports radio. Oh yeah, of course it's a digital TV, so you can also do radio and everything there. And also check on the common interface. And the common interface is more like say like a card, like SSD, if you know SSD drive. So it's more like SSD drive, and you can use it for encrypted subscription to view some encrypted subscription. So I'm sure this supports all the thing, MP3 and wave and everything. Okay, I just try to check on the picture quality here. This is a full HD and this is 1080 movie. So after you can also check it out. As far as I'm concerned, the picture quality is not that bad. The picture quality, it looks good for 32-inch TV. It's not a 4K, so I'm not expecting 4K whatsoever. But the picture quality, it's fine. And you can use this TV in your room, kitchen, sitting room, or you can also use it as a monitor, or it's perfect as a monitor as well. So if you want to buy this TV for your kids, or you want to buy it for a small sitting room, it's also fine, works perfect. Okay, so just to do some fast forward there. Okay, the picture quality is perfect. That's good HD picture quality. So if you want to buy this TV, I'll leave the links on the description below. And that's about it. Should you buy this TV? Yeah, if you want to buy a good TV, this is a good TV. On Hisense side, this TV is perfect. The picture quality is crispy, nice, HD there. So like, that's 1080 HP and the HD, and this TV is 720. So you get a good picture there. And on the light sensitive, as I'm talking, on the light side, and I can watch it properly. So if you have so much light in your room, I guess you'll be able to enjoy the TV. Though it doesn't, I don't see anything that says you can like change the picture. So like here, cinema, depending on what you watch. PC game, dynamic. This like brighter for brighter when you're watching on a daytime. Dynamic works well, and you have personal, and you can also have standard when it's night and whatsoever. So it's called dimmer, and it's eco-friendly, so you'll be able to change to whatever you like. It'll adapt to the environment, which is quite cool. Okay, so that's about it of this TV. If you enjoy this video, give the thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. If you have any question or whatsoever, you can also leave it in the comment below. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. Also, don't forget to click that icon after subscription. You get the bell icon, so anytime when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. So be tech wise, watch these videos. They'll help you to make a good decision, buy a good TV. Thank you. See you in the next one. Cheers.